All right, everyone watching this. This is the best contractor affiliate program for 2026. You can earn up to $148.50 in commissions. It's pretty cut and dry. There's a huge market for this product. It's in a niche that's worth billions and billions of dollars, and it's growing and growing and growing as the years go on. So it's the interior contractor lead machine, and this is it right here. You're going to get 50% commissions. It sells for $297, which is a great deal on the product itself. And you're going to get $148.50 per sale, which is 50% commissions. The niche is interior contractors and agencies. They'll be selling these lead generation tools to actual contractors, which there are plenty of them around that need these tools. And they come in there's a pack of 6 of them. And it's right here: bathroom, electrical, flooring, interior painting, kitchen, plumbing, and it's all ready to go. You can literally install these in seconds, and they're professional grade. And they're going to be great for you to promote because they're easy to install, and they're going to get leads for the contractors, obviously. And that's what all these contractors want. They need more leads. They're struggling to get leads, and that's what this product solves. So it's going to, like I said, installs in seconds. Literally, you can have one installed in 30 seconds. Up and running on a WordPress site or whatever site you use. And they're professional. You could check this out on my site. But this is the Join as an Affiliate button. You're going to click here. And I'm going to show you this in a second. And this is the math on how much you can make promoting it. 2 sales, 5 sales, 10 sales, 20 sales. Tells you about the product, why affiliates love it. It's in a great niche, and it's highly in demand. And to find the offer, the first step you're going to do is click that link at the top, and you're going to search for the interior contractor lead machine. Right here, all you got to do is search for that. You'll find it and sign up for it. And I got all the tools you're going to need on this site as well as swipes. You got a 5-day email sequence ready to go. Just replace it with your affiliate link that you're going to get from the link above. Social media swipes, Facebook posts, everything's ready for you to go to make this as easy as possible. And like I said, this is an underserved niche. There's very high demand. So if you promote this, it's going to be a lot easier than you competing with a ton of people to promote this offer. So click that Join as an Affiliate button. Sign up. It only takes a second. Sign up through this affiliate program right here. And then search for the interior contractor lead machine. And you should get instantly approved. And you can check out the product as well. Look at what I'm offering. Learn a little bit more about it. But awesome tool. If you serve local businesses like contractors, you're an agency, you're just an affiliate that it's in that niche or wants to be in that niche, this is an excellent product for you to promote. So you want to check this out for yourself. The link is going to be directly below to this sign up page. So click that top button, search, and you're good to go. And all the tools are going to be directly on this page for you to get started promoting it. So with that being said, links directly below for this affiliate program. And if you have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.